Hello guys, welcome back to Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you switch your accounts in Google Chat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to switch between your accounts into Google Chat, you just simply have to open this chat application. And after opening the Google Chats application, first of all, you just simply have to log in or add two of your Google accounts or more into your device. And after logging into two or more accounts, you just simply have to tap to your profile picture icon into the top right. And from there, you can see all of your accounts into this section. Now, all you have to do is to select any of the account which you would like to switch to. I'm selecting this account right here. And after doing this very easy step, in one tap I can change my Google Chat account, and this way you can also do this process. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.